everybody, welcome to SpeakUp. I'm Laiba and I study in class 6 in BM Laboratory School and College Cox's Bazaar. In today's video, I'm going to help you to learn 5 common idioms. These idioms are important and they will make you better and smarter. Now let's get started. Number 1, hit the book. It means to study. For example, we always say, I need to study today. But now we can say, I need to hit the book today. Number 2, spill the beans. This means to reveal secret information unintentionally. For example, we always say, don't tell it to others. But now we can say, don't spill the beans. Number 3, leave no stone unturned. This means to do everything you can to achieve your goal. For example, we can say, I did everything I could. But now we can say, I left no stone unturned. Number 4, keep one's words. This means to do as promised. For example, we always say, he always keeps promises. But now we can say, he always keeps words. Number 5, a piece of cake. The meaning of a piece of cake is it's easy to do. For example, we always say, solving such math problems is easy for me. But now we can say, solving such math problems is a piece of cake for me. And now we can say these again with other examples. 1, hit the book. Now go and hit the book or else you'll fail in your examination. 2, spill the beans. Try your best not to spill the beans. Number 3, leave no stone unturned. I left no stone unturned to do good result in my examination and I succeeded. Number 4, keep one's words. Trust me, I'll always keep your words. Number 5, a piece of cake. English is a piece of cake for me. Now, if you want to be better and smarter by using these idioms, you must practice these with correct pronunciation. So no more today. Goodbye.